come on in. This is our suite 720. And we're not out exploring yet. When you first come in, first room is our lovely suite bathroom. And it is sweet. We have all of our molten brown toiletries. A double sink so that Corey and I can brush our teeth at the same time. Isn't that nice? A full tub. But if you don't want to do the tub, we have the shower as well. And of course the necessary items. Next set of doors is the heater. This is where you can put your expedition jackets and let them hang and dry, or your swimming suit if that's what you need to dry. Our life jackets. This is our closet, which is as big as mine at home, I think. And in our closet, we have our robes, have a safe to put our things in, things to polish your shoes, extra blankets, and tons of storage. Oh, our slippers and our hairdryer. Come on into the bedroom. Our luggage hasn't been delivered yet, but we do have our checked luggage in here. You've got plenty of plugs. This is so well thought out. Both European and USB and American plugs. One on this side, another one on that side. There are more plugs behind my purse. They also have this wonderful set of binoculars for spotting animals. Hopefully penguins, seals, and whales. Then, I don't think I've ever had my room key quite like this, but this is what our room key came in. As you can see, the little wallets, our own piece of fine art. Then you come into the living room. We've got the couch, our Helly Hansen jackets, bag, and beanie that are all part of. Also, complimentary champagne, which I guess everything is complimentary since it's all included. This is our Butler Station. We've got glasses. We have our expedition water bottles that we get to take with us, but they also have water here for us. And then you've got our mini fridge, and I think it's still empty. It's day one, but it does have some soft drinks in it. It just doesn't have our vodka and wine in it as of yet. And there's wine cork, ice, etc. Then we've got our little dressing table here with more plugs, a stool underneath, and an atlas so we can tell where we are. And then come on out to our balcony. Okay, the doors seal really good, which in Antarctica on expedition cruises, that's a good thing. Okay, this is our balcony, and you've got a table. The stool pulls out, and this will recline, so you can actually lounge out here should you like to. And check out this view of Ushuaia. Oh, I'm sorry, Ushuaia. Ushuaia, Argentina. It is fabulous, and I'm all ready to sail. How about you, Corey?
Let's go.
Let's go.